Let's recreate a restaurant favorite today, sticky and flavorful soy garlic chicken wings. Let's start cooking. We start off by seasoning our chicken wings. So ito, ginawa ko dito. I separated the wing tips with the drumlets. Yan, parang restaurant lang talaga. And what we are doing is a dry brine. No? So wala nang water. It's just salt and our chicken. Best to leave it for at least 15 minutes. Best overnight. Pwede na rin mga 4 to 6 hours para maging juicy and flavorful yung ating chicken inside and outside. Yan. And let's prepare our breading mix. So simple to do. Let's combine flour, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of paprika. And very simply, we will just coat our wings in our mixture. We will add a little water. So add a little water. Mix natin. So we are making a very light coating, no? So dito, kakapit yung ating sauce or ating glaze. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. And we are ready to fry. Light butter, hot oil. So unahin ko yung drumlets para kasi mas makapal siya, unahin ko siya lahat. Yan. And take our time in cooking. Ayaw natin na paglagay natin luto agad ha, kasi magiging hilaw yung loob. And remember, when deep frying, do not overcrowd your pan. Kasi pag masyado ng maraming nilagay mo, ano mangyayari? The temperature will go down and magiging soggy because the meat will begin to absorb the oil. Yan. Fry, fry, fry. So we have here a mixture of sugar and soy sauce. How simple is that? Yan. Oh, very nice yung ating chicken. Yan, ating sauce is beginning to simmer. Yan. And our chicken is cooked. Look at that, golden and crisp. Ready. Ang glaze natin, kumukulo. Lumalapot, lumalagkit, sumasarap. Yan. Let's add a little bit of ginger, no? To brighten up the flavor. Grated ginger. Yan. Ay, ang mango, grabe. Mala-teriyaki yung feels, no? Pinch of pepper. Yan. And ito talaga siya yung magbibigay ng complete experience sa ating soy garlic chicken. Is our Good Life Sesame Oil. Gives it a very nice nutty aroma. So itong sesame oil natin, elevate simple home-cooked dishes to restaurant quality. Alam mo naman tayo, nagpapatakbo ng restaurant. Ito yung mga secret natin, yung mga pa-sesame oil lang natin ng konti. Pitik-pitik will give you an authentic Asian flavor. Sarap nito, grabe. I promise you, you will love this, di ba? Yan, ating chicken, konti na, no? Very important na. Cook through, crispy, golden, and flavorful inside and out with the finish of our glaze. Ay, ang sarap talaga. Ating sauce is so thick. Look at that. Ito na siya. Kakapit talaga siya sa ating crispy chicken. And our chicken is fried for a second time around. Diba? And it's even more perfect than the first. Diba? Kaya, give chance. Diba? Baka sa second time around, mas perfect pa. Importante dito, bago mo ilagay yung glaze, let the excess oil drip off. Kailangan mag-steam ng konti, di ba? Di ba, mainit siya, umuusok pa siya. Let it rest for a few minutes. Yan, para sumingaw siya. Or else, when you pour the glaze, what will happen? Matatrap yung steam and madali siyang kumunat. So, ito siya. We'll wait for a few minutes. At mga 2 minutes, pwede na. Yan. And ang hangin will help it crisp up even more. We will add our chicken to a bowl. Yan. Cool down natin a bit, no? Let it steam. You hear, no? Nagka-crack-crack siya. You can make it spicy if you want, but ang secret nito is our sesame oil that elevates your home cooking to give it a restaurant quality with its authentic aroma. And I will just pour my sauce. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Oh my gulay. Look at that. Ganun lang siya. Oh, wow. So nice. So beautiful. So masarap. Coated evenly. Diba? Magnegosyo kayo ng only wings. Etong recipe. Panalo. A little bit of sesame seeds. And, ano pa ba? Titikman natin. Ito talaga yung paborito ko dito sa ating show, ang tikiman portion. Ito. That's so beautiful. Glossy, di ba? Ang bango! Grabe. Ito na yung ating recipe for today. Ating soy garlic chicken wings. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!